In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook page URL. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your page's web address matches your brand. A quick note before we start. On Facebook, your page URL is based on your page's username, the part that comes after facebook.com. Changing the username updates the URL, so choose carefully because people may have bookmarked your old link. First, open a desktop browser and log into Facebook with the account that manages your page. Using a computer makes the menus clearer and ensures you see every setting you need. Next, switch into your page profile. In the top right, click your profile photo. From the menu that appears, click See All Profiles. You'll see the option to switch to your page. Select your page so you're acting as the page, not your personal profile. If you already see your page's profile photo in the corner, you're good to go. Now, open your page's settings. Click the page's profile photo again in the top right to open the menu. Choose Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. This is where all the key page controls live. Inside Settings, look for Page Setup. Click that to open the area where your basic page information is managed. This section includes your name, categories, and the username we're about to change. Find the field labeled Username. This is the handle that forms your page URL. Click Edit. Type the new username you want. Keep it short, memorable, and consistent with your brand. Usernames can use letters, numbers, and periods, but no spaces or special symbols, and they generally need to be at least a few characters long. Aim for something you can keep long-term to avoid confusion. After typing, wait for Facebook to check availability. You'll see a confirmation if it's available. If it's taken or not allowed, try a simple variation like adding a location or a short descriptor that still feels on brand. Once you see that it's available, click Save Changes. That locks in the new username and updates your page URL to match. Your new link should work right away, though it can take a little time to update everywhere across Facebook. A couple of tips as you wrap up. Double-check spelling before you save, and make sure your new URL appears correctly on your website, email signatures, and other social profiles. If you manage multiple pages, repeat the same process for each one. And remember, only people with appropriate page access can change the username. That's it. Your Facebook page URL is now updated.